Hi guys, Peter Bland here. I'm here with my friend Steve McKenzie, who's over in Nelson, New Zealand. How are you, Steve?
Yeah, I'm fantastic, Pete.
That's
Awesome.
Good. That's good to hear. Now it's raining here in Melbourne, so I probably have to move my laptop. But look, I was just talking with Steve about Antarctica actually, and Steve says, listen, he's enjoying the trading so much that he thought he'd be happy to do a message to our members, or sorry, to those who would like to be a member, about how good it is, and that really what you're saying, Steve, is you'd encourage people to do what you've done. Is that right?
Yeah, Peter, I'd encourage people, to make a decision and take a step and talk to you and come on board with you and do the trading program and the Mojo mindset because, it's life-changing. It changes the way that you think about money, the way that you think about goals and everything else. So it just builds on and, what you can achieve now, you think you can easily achieve that, in 5 years' time.
When did you start trading with me?
Started trading with you about 14 months ago, Pete.
And how much have you averaged each month since then?
I've averaged 3.5% in the last 14 months, Pete. So even with the stock market sort of doing those ups and downs a little bit.
So I'm just having to move because of the rain. Just to be super clear, you haven't averaged 3.5% over 14 months. You've averaged 3.5% every single month. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right, Pete. Every single month I've averaged 3.5% on my capital.
That's unreal. Gee whiz, if you amortize that over a year, that's a fantastic annual return, isn't it?
Fantastic, Pete. Yeah, brilliant.
And what has that confidence done for you in terms of what you've been able to do in other investments in your life?
I suppose 4 years ago, before I met you, Pete, I was $700,000 in debt, had no job, no money. I had to buy my car back off the bank, and now I've got 3 rental properties, another property that I've got an option on, a growing business with a business partner and 2 other employees. So things are going really well.
Gee whiz, that's quite a story and quite a turnaround. As you say though, well done for you because you took that initial step. You got an invitation, I think probably an email, and said, oh well, this is interesting, I'll look into that. Is that right?
Yeah, got the email and thought, I'm wondering about this, I'll check this out. So yeah, I'm glad I did.
Here we are 14 months later on, and you and I are talking about going to Antarctica, not only funding yourself, but actually making a charitable contribution, funding other people to do it. So that's fantastic.
Yeah, I'd love to share with everybody else what's helped me and what I've done, so it'd be fantastic.
Righto, Steve. Well, great. Thank you very much for offering to invite others, and I'll record this and send it to everybody for the forthcoming webinar.
Yeah, it'd be great, and I'll pop on there in the webinar and hopefully I can have a little bit of a chat as well.
Righto, mate.